Hello, I'm Charmaine Singleton, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a moss stitch. For this you need a multiple of 2, so I've taken 20. Single crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Make a single crochet, chain 1, leave 1 chain and insert your crochet hook in the next chain and make a single crochet. Chain 1. Keep repeating this process until you come to the end of the row. Now chain 1, leave 1 chain and insert your crochet hook in the next chain. Make a single crochet, chain 1, skip 1 chain and insert your crochet hook in the next chain. Make a single crochet, chain 1, skip 1 chain, insert your crochet hook in the next chain and make a single crochet. This is a beginner friendly tutorial and it's very simple pattern, yet it's very beautiful. Now, since I've come to the end of the row, my turning chain is 1. So chain 1 extra and turn your work. Now you came to the end of the row, you chain 2 and now is the easy part. When you stretch your work, you can see gaps. Since we have chained 1 and left 1 chain, thus we have gaps in between. So that is the place where you insert your crochet hook. You make a single crochet, chain 1 and repeat the process. But when you come to the end of the row, chain 2 instead of 1 and turn your work and repeat the process. This is all you have to do to get this beautiful pattern called the moss stitch or granite stitch. This pattern is so dense that it hardly looks crocheted and can be mistaken as a knitted work. You can use it for scarves, mufflers, baby blankets, etc. and etc. washcloth. To really understand the beauty of this pattern, it is essential for you to complete 2 to 3 rows to see exactly how beautiful and what a lovely texture this pattern gives. Now you're coming to the end of the row, so you repeat the same process but add 1 more chain. That is your turning chain. Turn your work and stretch your work. You can see spaces. Instead of keeping that in mind, to leave 1 chain and insert your crochet hook in the next. It's simple. It's more simple because there are already spaces in between. So just stretch your work and you can see the spaces. Therefore, this makes it more simple. But in case you do not understand where to insert your crochet hook, just follow the simple rule of leaving one chain and making a single crochet in the next chain and chain one. Please comment below and let me know if you are using this pattern and for what purpose are you using it, for scarves, mufflers, gloves, baby blankets, etc. and etc. I'm just doing a little more so that you see the pattern after I complete a few rows. Now since we have come to the end of the row, chain one extra chain and turn your work. As you continue to crochet each row, you will notice this pattern looks really beautiful with a nice dense texture. If you try this pattern, please let me know in a comment below. What are you going to use this pattern for? Please do take the time to comment below so that I can bring you more simple, beginner friendly patterns like this. Now we're coming to the end of this row, and I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. I have completed a few more rows just to show you how lovely this pattern looks. Just see this beautiful texture and the density of this pattern. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial with me, and in case you have enjoyed watching this tutorial with me, consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and keep practicing. Stay connected. Happy crocheting. And I want to thank all of you for watching my videos and for the ones that have subscribed to my channel and supported me this far. Thank you so much. And to the ones who have not yet subscribed, please consider to subscribe.